Hello students, I am Sandili Gori from LJ Polytechnic. Today we are going through the topic of advanced mathematics, that is integration and its application. Let's start with the example. Our question is to find integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x dx. See the solution. In this question, we are having limit tends to 0 to pi by 4. See, if you remember, we have the formula of 0 to a f of x dx is equals to integration of 0 to a f of a minus x dx. That means if you are having some limit that is a, then you have to replace your function f of x by f of a minus x. Using this formula here, we can write it as, see, in this term we have the value of a is equals to pi by 4. So we can write it as integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1, and here tan x should be replaced by tan pi by 4 minus x because the value of a is pi by 4. Right? Now what is next? See, in this whole term we have tan pi by 4 minus x, and we know the formula of tan pi by 4 minus x, that is nothing but tan alpha minus beta is equals to tan alpha minus tan beta divided by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Using this formula, we have this term, right? Integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus here tan pi by 4 minus x can be written as tan pi by 4 minus x, that means tan alpha minus tan beta upon 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Here the value of alpha is pi by 4 and the value of beta is x. So we can write it as 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Now the value of tan pi by 4 is equals to 1. So we can write it as 1. We have 0 to pi by 4 log 1 plus tan pi by 4 is nothing but 1 from here, and minus tan x is as it is. Similarly, 1 is as it is plus tan pi by 4, that is nothing but 1 into tan x. 1 into tan x is again tan x. So we have 1 plus tan x. Right? Next we have this, see, 1 plus this whole term. So we can take LCM in this. We can write it as 1 plus tan x into 1, that is 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x as it is, and divided by 1 plus tan x. See, open both the bracket. In this term we can write it as 1 plus tan x plus 1 minus tan x. Plus tan x and minus tan x should be cancelled out. plus tan x and minus tan x should be cancelled out. So we have 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 1 plus tan x. 0 to pi by 4 log 2 upon 1 plus tan x dx. Now we know that if log of a by b is given, then we can write it as log of a minus log of b. Here value of a is 2 and value of b is 1 plus tan x. So we can write it as integration of 0 to pi by 4 log of a, that means log of 2, minus log of b, that means log of 1 plus tan x. Now we are having subtraction in the integration. That means we are having two terms in the integration. So we can write it as integration of first term minus integration of second term. Right? Now applying integration both this side, we get integration of log 2. See, log 2 is nothing but a constant term because we don't have variable x here. So log 2 as a constant we are taking outside from the integration. So we have log 2 and integration of 0 to pi by 4 1 dx minus this whole term is nothing but your question. So we can write it as I, right? Now in next term this minus I goes to the left hand side. So I minus I should be plus I. So we have 2I and integration of log 2 as it is. Then after integration of 1 dx is nothing but x, right? Integration of 1 dx is equals to x plus c. This is the formula of integration of 1. So using this we have log 2 as it is and integration of 1 is x, limit tends to 0 to pi by 4. Now applying both the upper and lower limit in your function, we have log 2 pi by 4 minus 0, that means upper limit minus lower limit. We have pi by 4 minus log 2. Then we need to find I, that's why this 2 goes to right hand side. That's why we have 4 into 2, that is 8. So we have I is equals to pi by 8 into log 2 is your answer. Thank you for watching.